Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sypniewski. Thank you so much for popping back my channel. And today is the big day. We are doing the 600 subscriber giveaway. So step one is I have to write down all of the names of the people who took their time to comment in that video. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm not going to tape it because I know everyone skipped through that whole part last time. So I'm just going to cut to the part where my cats pick the winner. Okay, so it took me a long while, a lot longer than the other giveaway, but I wrote down everybody's name, everybody who left a comment on the video. Your name is written down on one of these pieces of paper. Now what I'm going to do is crinkle them all up, put them on my kitchen floor, pour a lot of catnip on it, and let the cats have at it. They have to push it. Whoever name gets pushed out of the 9 square perimeter first is going to win the Deity D3 microphone. But listen, there are going to be other winners as well. So what I'm going to do, in the corner of the screen, periodically, you're going to see names flash up. And that means that you guys are going to be special winners. You're not going to get a Deity microphone, but you are going to get something, whether it be a lav mic or just something that I choose to give you. But you have to keep your eye out on the bottom of the screen to see if your name appears, okay? Kind of like little hidden eggs, little Easter eggs, just to make sure you guys are actually watching the video and not skipping ahead to see who won. Let's get to the kitchen and let my kids hash it out. You know what this is, right? Come on, honey. Marvin, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, baby. Okay. Now, who's going to make it out of the perimeter? What's that? You know what this is. Oh, okay. Come on, guys. Go get it. Come on, Marv. Get some. Come on, Marv. Marvin, good boy. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. Oh, Marvin, you're so big and handsome. Be nice. Be nice. Come on. Good boy, Marv. Oh, so big and handsome. Oh, look how big and handsome you are. You're so big and handsome. Ooh, Pon, you're so big and handsome. Look at Pon. Come on. Get the names out. Come on, Tate. Tate! You guys stink. Come here, Tate. Do you have an itch? Pon, you have an itch? Come here. We have some very close to the edge over here. There's one right by his foot. There's one getting pushed out. I know you can't see it. It's, almost. It's right behind his tail. Very close. Very close. There's one. Oh, it almost came out. Good boy, Marv. Good boy, honey. Good boy. Oh, he just pushed. Oh. Good boy, honey. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, here we go. Pepe, aka Gamer. Oh. Marv, we're not done. Come on, guys. Look how handsome you are, Marv. Good boy. And Pon, he's a good boy. Yep, okay. Yay. Bad Karma 714. All right. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Marvin was such a good boy. Ugh, what a mess. There was catnip all over my house. It was unreal. Congratulations to the big winners, Pepe, aka Gamer, and Bad Karma 714. So what you guys need to do is email me your shipping addresses and you are going to get the Deity microphones. Now, I know I said I was only going to do one, but I'm going to do two. I'm going to do two because this past weekend, I actually hit 1,000 subscribers. So I am going to do 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but I'm in such a good mood. I'm going to give away 2 of those Deity microphones to both of you guys. Now, the other people who won, please send me your email addresses at my email address. And what I'm going to do is send you a $10 gift card from Amazon.com. Not Amazon.in or EU or what. No, it has to be Amazon.com. If you don't take Amazon.com, I can't help you. A big sincere thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, who leave comments and likes and just show me so much kindness and support. To me, it's unbelievable. I can't believe that now I've hit 1,000 subscribers. For you to understand how crazy this is to me, I never thought I would ever have 1,000 subscribers. I actually did an 86 subscriber giveaway because that number was completely just unfathomable to me. And now I have over 1,000. I thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you who come to watch the videos and leave sweet comments. It means the world to me. Thank you so very much. And until next time, wear your sunblock. Good girl.